Let's learn the kitchen vocabulary. This is a stew pot. Stew pot. These are cutlery. Cutlery. This is a ladle. Ladle. This is a grater. Grater. This is a frying pan. Frying pan. These are rolling pin. Rolling pin. This is a pillar. Pillar. This is a tea kettle. Tea kettle. This is a saucepan. Saucepan. This is a tea strainer. Tea strainer. This is a whisk. Whisk. This is a apron. Apron. This is cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. This is a lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer. These are tongs. Tongs. This is wok. Wok. This is colander. Colander. This is nutcracker. Nutcracker. These are wooden spatula. Wooden spatula. This is a grill pan. Grill pan.